Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple tips to grow a natural, long, healthy and strong nails. Alright, so this natural tips is just way simple. It's something you can do for the next 7 days and your nails is going to be really thick. It's not going to be breaking and it's going to be very clean. Alright, so if you want to know what that is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that, be it personal, curious or beauty questions. Ask me on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. So to grow a long natural nails, you're gonna be needing warm water. Okay, the water has to be warm or not hot guys, not hot, so it does not burn your hand. And also you're going to be needing sea salt. Okay, so if you can actually get sea salt, it's going to be very much more effective. Alright, now sea salt helps to get rid of germs and bacteria forming on the skin, and it's also help in growing the nails, developing the cuticles. Okay, so we're going to be pouring about 1 teaspoon of sea salt into this, and also you're going to be mixing it, okay, so the salt can dissolve into the water basically, so it can actually like kill any germs or bacteria at the cuticle area. After that, you're going to be needing lemon. Lemon is citric in nature and it is also beneficial for the cuticles and in developing the nails, leaving the nails growing longer and stronger. Okay, so you're going to be needing lemon a whole lot for this remedy. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the lemon into half. Okay, then we're just going to press in the juice of the lemon into the warm water. Now this is also going to help the nail grow faster. Okay, then we're going to be needing vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule is essential for the skin because it contains a lot of ingredients that helps to increase the skin elasticity, and it also helps to repair the cuticles, leaving the fingernails strong and grow faster. So I'm gonna be punching that and then we're just gonna be pressing that into the water. And the last one, we're going to be putting in a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to be needing 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. Now olive oil is essential for the nails. It would help in leaving the nails longer. It will also repair bad and bacteria at the cuticle. Okay, so now after we've actually put all of this together, I'm going to mix it and mix it very well. Okay, so after that, then you can dip your fingernails, although I have an artificial nails right now, but of course my cuticles are beginning to get exposed, so you're just going to dip your fingernails into it and then you hold it there for some minutes. You bring it out. Okay, the warm water is just going to help you so much. Like when you do this for just 7 days, your nails are just going to grow really well. Okay, so you keep putting it in and then you keep taking it out, put it in and you take it out. So you have to try and let it sit there, the water. So you don't have to let the water be so warm, like so hot, okay? So that's basically what you're going to be doing for 7 days. So if you actually do not want to throw away this water, you can actually keep it and then you warm it every morning. You want to dip your hand inside, okay? Like, trust me guys, your nails are going to grow really well. After you've actually done that, then you take your olive oil, okay? You take a little bit of olive oil, then you pour the oil on at the cuticles, on the nails also, okay? Then you massage it. You massage it really well, especially the cuticle area, okay? You massage it really well. Now when you're done with this, you have to then leave the oil on your cuticle and on your nails. And trust me guys, with this treatment your nails is going to grow really strong. You're not gonna be having breaking nail, because your nails is not gonna break, and this is just what you need to grow a long. So basically, dipping your hands into that water would help you to grow a longer, thicker and more healthy nails, and also alongside with the olive oil is just wonderful. It's going to be wonderful. It's going to be beautiful. Alright, so go try it out. Let me know in the comment section, because I know it's going to be superb. It's going to be beautiful. So if you did love the video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, so that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me beauty, curious or personal questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.